When you have a dream, one of the ways you can tell who is compatible with you is that the person gives resources.
Yeah.
The person contributes. Even when the person doesn't even really have an idea of that you see support.
Yeah.
I remember then, when I said, my husband asked me, who do you want to be in life?
My wife is always talking about me.
Bridegroom.
Marry right to.
Praise God.
I people are not jealous. They just say, marry right to.
I don't even know if I can continue this revelation. There's something he did to me right now. Praise God. Praise God. What was I even saying? Where was I? Sorry.